Alright folks, so maybe my setup is different from yours. I want to challenge you to think about maybe why I chose a way that's contrary to yours. But I'm going to start the timer, I'll turn the car on, it'll cross over the 0 mark, and I'll start going along all of the centimeters along here. There are 100 centimeters in a meter over the distance of both of these meter sticks. And then we'll just go back and we can kind of play through and get our data for it. So we start our timer, we're jamming along, and